Hey Erica, so today we're going to work on this problem with this data that we were given. It says the recent annual salaries in millions of dollars for players on the New York Knicks professional basketball team are below. So these are all the values that we're going to work with.
Okay.
What we're going to find is the median, the mean, the standard deviation, and the variance.
Okay.
Okay? So we're going to use our calculators and our technology to find those answers.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to turn it on. All right? And you're going to go to stat. And then we're going to push enter. And these are our data here that we were looking at.
Okay.
Okay? So now we're going to go back to stat.
Back to stat. Like this? Right here?
Yep, right here.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to go down to calculate,
Okay.
which is the option over.
Calc.
Right? Okay. And then you will click enter. And we'll do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Now these are our values. Our
Like-
mean is 6.02. One more time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Our mean is 6.02. Our median,
Correct.
if you scroll down a little bit,
Uh-huh.
it's 2.8.
Correct.
And
I
then
see
our
it.
standard deviation is 7.47. Because if we round off these numbers here, then we will have that number.
Okay.
And then for the variance, what we're going to do is we're going to go to VARs.
Uh-huh.
Then we're going to go down to statistics.
Okay.
And we're going to press enter.
Mhm.
And then we go down to the standard, to the variance key here,
I'm sorry, what number it would be?
number 3.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll push enter.
Uh-huh.
And then you'll square it right here.
Uh-huh.
And then push enter.
Okay.
That would be our variance.
55.7345. But then I round it, correct?
Yes, we'll round it to 55.74.
Because of the 4?
7.3. I'm sorry.
Okay.
7.3.
Gotcha.
All right. So
Okay.
this is how we figure out the mean, median, standard deviation, and the variance on the calculator.
Okay.
Hope you learned a lot today.
Thank you. And it will help me for my final. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're gonna get A's. Thanks.
Yes, we are.
All right. Until
Thank
next
you.
time. Bye.
Bye.
How's it going?
Good. Good, good. So today what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to find out our quartiles. As we know, it's 1 through 3. Q will always be your median. So whenever you see it, it doesn't matter. 2 will always be your median. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. So what we're going to do, we're going to use these values right here regarding the salaries of the New York Knicks. So we're going to go ahead and grab our calculators if you don't mind. And we have our data listed. Let me know whenever you're ready. Okay, so then we're gonna go second quit, and then we're gonna go stat, and then we're gonna go calc.
Okay.
We're gonna enter, and then we're gonna do line 1, enter. Oh, sorry. Okay, clear. Okay, so clear it. Sorry about that. Stat again, calc, enter. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
So now what we're gonna go down an arrow. So now we see our quartile 1. Do you see it right here?
Yes.
1.3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna see our median, which is our second quartile. Like I told you before, it will always be the second quartile.
Got it.
We're gonna see our quartile 3, which is 7.1.
Perfect.
So that's how we figure out our quartiles. So now, and are you good on it?
Yeah, makes a lot of sense.
Awesome. Okay, perfect.
you.
Thank you.
So then we're asked to convert the highest salary to a z-score. In order to get the z-score, you take the value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. In
Okay.
this case, our value is 23.4,
Uh-huh.
our mean is 6.02,
Okay.
and the standard deviation is 7.46,
Mhm.
555, 9016.
Okay.
If we compute those numbers, we get 2.3280, 23925, but we're going to round that to 2.33.
Oh, because of the 8?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it.
Then it asks what level of measurement is described in this data set,
Mhm.
and it would be the ratio measurement.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm going to introduce you all how to create normal quartile plot of the salary by using Excel. So that I already did the Excel I have on my the computer, and I have on my paper here. So the thing that is like to get the plot, we have to plug everything on the Excel sheet. So like from the end, when you open the Excel, we just go to the A, B, C, D, and so you're gonna on the A, we put the X in the top, and we're gonna put all the numbers. So you have 15 numbers. So it's good to do like descending or ascending order, so that we have the track. So when you put that everything, and then we put that one here, and I have all number in here, so and I have the total in down here. So and the column B in here, like, so we have to write in the top the position. So position is like we putting number. So like position is mean like how many we have. So we have 15 of those here. So it's 1 to 15. So I put that in 1 to 15. So then we have to find the F. So F. So way to find the F is like is to so we have the formula here to how to find the F. So is I minus 0.375 divided by N plus 0.25. So which that mean I is the number that we have 1 to 15. No, I is the this mean I is the column in here, and that minus 0.375, the parenthesis divided by n is our number in here. So now you put that, and that give this the number that is given. So when you give the number, then it's easy that we can just drag everything in down, and then is give the from 1 to 15. So after that, then we go to the z value. So we have to find the z value on the column D. So when you're finding a z value, you have to have, there is a formula that we have to use. The formula is gonna be the norm is NORM and SINV. So then with the close parenthesis, the number here, the number C. So we have to use click this and that and enter. So when you enter that, we're giving this number. When you find this number, and then the final part is how to find the quartile. So where to find the quartile? So you see that when I click here, they're marking number A and D. So where to find the plot? We have to click the number A by control, and number D by controlling. So you have to click both number in order to find the plot number. So then you go to insert. We click in the insert. So when we go to find the insert, and then we go to the chart. Where is it in here? Yeah, here. So the chart here. So when you click this one, and we get this chart. So this like showing like how is the graph is moving. Yeah. Okay. And so like you said that we have the S is called scatter. So when you click that, so we're gonna click the first one is called the normal one. So when you click that, and this graph is come out.